So we shut up. Okay, so we just woke up maybe about 15 minutes ago. We got dressed so we can eat breakfast. We're getting breakfast pretty early. It's like 7:40 right now, 7:45. Good morning.
What number?
Yeah, 103.
103, yeah. And your name?
Maya Brown.
Do you want me to show you your
Yeah, please do. Yeah.
If you read the newspaper, this is
Okay. She told us if we read the newspaper. There's a newspaper right there.
red. Okay, cereal state if I'm in the contribution or anything.
Okay, thank you.
Wherever you are.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
So this is the breakfast that we both got. I got oatmeal, croissants,
Eggs,
we
bacon,
both,
croissants.
Yeah, we both got some smoothies, which I think are pretty good. They're so cute, the little jars that they have in them. It's just cute.
Okay guys, so we just finished eating breakfast and now we're back at our hotel. I just got out the shower. We're learning some very interesting things about Irish culture and things they do and do not do, which sometimes can get a little weird, but I mean, it's a different culture. But we just want to explain, yesterday we didn't vlog and we just wanted to reevaluate some things and wanted to just be in the moment. We just don't want to be having a camera out 24/7. Yesterday we did some pretty cool things. We did another castle tour. We met the mayor of Cork, Ireland. We did some shopping, and me and Alina went out last night to a dinner that was not like with the Silver Dancers. So that was really fun. We still kind of got a little bit of like clips, like Snapchats, and a little bit of videos of the scenery. So if we have those, we'll insert them.
When you walk inside that Austrian part, if you look at the ceiling, you'll see it's a beautiful ceiling inside.
But yeah, today is the St. Patrick's Day parade, and it's St. Patrick's Day, so yay! Yay! Happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone! The hotel is super busy. There's Irish people all around, getting ready for the parade. It's great.
Waited so long.
So we're at a little mini cafe thing in Ireland at St. Patrick's Day.
I forgot. I should
got
have
some quiche,
got their cream.
a donut, water, Selena sandwich, and she got this drink, and Taylor got a little coffee.
I'm really sleepy.
I know you.
I didn't eat breakfast this morning because I wanted to sleep in until whatever. 10.
I was wondering why I didn't see you at breakfast, so we went.
It's like I answered the phone when you called me at 7:30 this morning. I was like,
I need to know.
Naya, hello.
And look who's here. Okay. Looks like I got all of this.
Ew.
Okay, hold up. We're at the parade. We're at the parade. Okay.
lone bumblebee, guys. The lone bumblebee.
This looks familiar.
Hola, hola.
Hit it. Okay, let it out. It's okay. Hey guys.
Hello.
It's pretty late at night. It's like 11:50 something, so almost midnight. We've had a really long day, really stressful day, really crazy day, but all in all, it was really fun. We had the St. Patrick's Day parade, which was awesome, and seeing the girls march in it and do it with such, grace, and you can just see all of their hard work really paid off, and it was amazing. We saw a whole bunch of other things, and you will have seen from the clips. I will insert a lot of those because I got so many good videos of all of the other performers that did amazing as well.
Me too.
Yeah, so we both did. So, yeah, we are so sorry we haven't been vlogging as much. Today, we really only did the Thanksgiving, the St. Patrick's Day parade. So not much happened. We went out to dinner, but that was pretty much it. I mean, yeah, we didn't have an eventful day at all. So besides that, we inserted the clips for that, so you'll see most of everything that happened.
And now we're about to start packing because we're actually moving to our next hotel. Well, next and last hotel of the trip tomorrow. So
yeah,
that
so
makes me sad.
So I don't know if we told you guys, but yes, we are moving hotels, and we moved hotels already. Yeah, I don't think we mentioned that. So we only stayed 2 nights in a hotel. And
so it's been 2 hotels so far, and tomorrow's going to be our 3rd and last hotel.
Yeah, because we're leaving very shortly, which is so upsetting. But besides our, our lack of posting, I hope what we do post, you guys have been enjoying. And sorry we took a little day off yesterday. We just had to fix some things. And even today, there's some things that have been going on that we're trying to get fixed. A little drama, but
we're going to take care of it, and it is taken care of. So don't worry about it.
Yeah, so tomorrow we're going to be back on our vlogging game, not caring what anybody else is freaking thinking and doing our own thing, which we're really excited for. I'm excited to just start back up vlogging again and just showing all the beauty of Ireland, because Ireland is such a beautiful place and we freaking love it. And Lena,
the people are so sweet, so nice, so fun to talk to. It's been great. We've had a great time so far.
We're really, really enjoying it. And Lena keeps saying that we need to come back, and we will come back. Thanks for watching. Good night.
Good night.